guys, first part of the leg's done. Just landed in Chicago O'Hare International. So first time I'm here in Chicago. Let's see how this goes. I hope I'm walking the right way. I have no idea where I'm going. Alright guys, so I just checked out into my hotel here. Alright, look at this. Small room. But holy cow guys. Check it out, we got city view. Got that city view. Look at that. Bam. Thanks to my boy Kyle at the front desk for hooking it up with some popcorns. Apparently these Garrett popcorns are supposed to be really good. Famous in Chicago. I don't know. But thanks Kyle. Alright, so it's about 8 p.m. right now in Chicago, but 6 p.m. LA time. So I'm gonna go grab some dinner. We're gonna go check out Al's. Yeah, let's go. We're approaching it. Al's Chicago Italian beef. This place is supposed to be legendary, so we'll see what happens here. But I'm starving. I'm not even eating lunch today. This is my first freaking meal of the day, dude. I flew on the plane, didn't get to eat. Alright guys, we're here at Al's. We're going to try out this, probably got a half dip. How many this is way too holy crap, there's juice everywhere. Oh my god. Look at the wrapper. The wrapper on this is like looking French, you know. That's right here, loaded meal. This thing was monster, yeah. Well, the juice in this thing, yeah, until the last bite here. Liquid. Right guys, now that we're done eating, we're gonna have to walk it off. So we'll look for something out in Chicago. See if we can get some cool, seascape shots and stuff like that. Brought my camera bag with me here. Actually, this is a really cool bag. It's a portable, packable bag. I'm going to show you guys that later on. But I'm going to do it. We made it to the Chicago Broadway. So what is the whole point of traveling? Traveling, I think, it's kind of open up your eyes, explore the world more, get out of our daily routine. I think a lot of my friends have this misconception about traveling by yourself. When you travel solo, it kind of makes you see the world in a different perspective, kind of think about things a little bit, and kind of have a little bit of time yourself and explore life. Alright guys, first night in Chicago, dinner was a success. We're gonna walk back to the hotel now and go look, probably hit a bar, maybe grab a drink somewhere. go check it out. It's still early according to my time, 9 p.m. here, but I'm from LA, so it's about 6 p.m. in LA right now, so I still got some energy to go, and yeah, let's go scope out the city.
Everybody's over, you know, R&B, right here. That's what I like. Hi, everybody.
What's up, guys? Day 2 in Chicago here. We're gonna make our way over to the Loop and check out that metallic beam that you always see people taking pictures of. So we're gonna head on over there right now and probably grab some lunch afterward. We're definitely going to look for deep dish pizza today for sure, so we'll go ahead and do that. Alright guys, we made it to Giordano's. This is going to be our first deep dish pizza in Chicago. It takes about 45 minutes to make this pizza, so I went ahead and ordered a tomato basil first. I'm going to go ahead and try that out and see how that goes. So we just finished eating at Giordano's here. Deep dish pizza definitely lives up to its hype in Chicago. Chicago is called the Windy City. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it is super windy out here tonight. But yeah, we have probably one more stop for the evening, and then we'll head back to the hotel and go from there. Guys, some days on travel, you win some, you lose some. Today is one of those days we lose. Been delayed twice, and hopefully we'll get there in time today. Thanks for joining me on this trip, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.